All right, here we go. So first I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Again, my name is Jeff and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video is to show you how to increase the value of your company or your website on Google with better exposure. There are three key factors you need to rank your business on Google, especially to get up on the first page. You need content, backlinks, and citations. Now, of course, you understand every time you type something into here, these are considered keywords, and Google uses those keywords that you type in to find the best website that fits the search criteria that you put in. It's called search engine optimization. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to these keywords, and that gets typed into the search, and then Google categorizes these websites based on their content, and that's how you establish rank. Everything right here is the map area. Rank here is established through citations, name, address, and phone number, as it would reflect your Google business profile. It's important to be seen here. You get a lot of traffic here. A lot of people will search restaurant near me, for example, auto repair near me, and to be here gets a lot of exposure. Down here underneath the map is considered organic ranking. Everything underneath here that is organically ranked is through content and keywords, which brings me to my point here. I checked out your website, B&G Auto. I did auto repair, Lawrenceville, Georgia, but you're not on the first page. So I was wondering if maybe there was something that you didn't know or was curious as to why, and maybe I could provide some insight. So I picked a tool that I have. It's called Ahrefs, and it shows me what's going on behind the scenes with your website. It shows me you got 45 backlinks and 25 referring domains. Referring domains and citations, other websites that you're linked to, and the backlinks are what you pick up off of these other websites. They link from one to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another, a backlink is. And it's important to have strong backlinks, strong domains that you're connected to. And of course, keywords play a big factor in search engine optimization. Now, if you're typing in auto repair Lawrenceville, Georgia, I mean, you don't have any keywords in your website that'll get Google's attention for what people are looking for. You're not going to get recognized. Lawrenceville Auto Center is a competitor of yours, so I grabbed his website. No, I do not want to subscribe. And I put him into the same tool just to give you an idea. He's got 200 backlinks from his referring domains that he's connected to, and he's using 156 keywords and getting 382 views or traffic a month from that. Let's take a look at what some keywords might be so you get a better understanding of what is going to draw people to your site through the keyword search. This is the amount of search per month that these particular keywords see. So car mechanic in Lawrenceville, Georgia, that gets searched 2,000 times a month. That is amazing. Lawrenceville Auto Center, another 400. What causes rotors warping? Another 700. What causes a rotor to warp? Automotive repair, Lawrenceville, Georgia, 150. So you can see all these keywords right here that get typed in, get searched this many times a month. That is a lot of exposure that you're missing out on that could really increase the benefit and the benefits of your shop, your business, your clientele. Um, so what I was wanting to explain, hopefully understand that content, backlinks, citations, content having keywords, when these things come together and you start to outrank, or when Google starts to recognize that your business is trusted or being referred through somebody and you have the right keywords that people are looking for, you will start to rank. Then your business will start to grow. You'll start to see a lot more increased traffic through that. With that being said, I hope that you appreciate this little bit of time I spent with you. Thanks for taking the time. I hope you have a better understanding of how important a well-built website is and the value that it can bring to your company. If you find yourself wanting more info, we should talk. I can do some research and find out exactly what would be realistic for you and your business and your goals. Thanks for taking this time. Have a great day.